Recycling of construction and demolition waste. Next. What is means by waste? Waste is an unwanted or undesired material or substance. It is unavoidable byproduct of most of the human activity. Classification of waste. Residential waste, industrial waste, commercial waste, construction and demolition waste, institutional waste, municipal services waste, and agricultural waste. Next. Construction and demolition waste. These are the waste building material, degrading material that are produced in the process of construction, remolding, repair, and demolition of residential buildings, commercial buildings, and other structure and payment. Next. Construction and demolition waste consists of these material, that is concrete, bricks, timber, sanitary ware, glasses, steel, and plastic. Next. Here is a present Indian scenario of construction and demolition waste. 14.5 megaton out of 48 megaton of total solid waste generated per annum, that is per year. Next. Composition of construction and demolition waste in India includes 65% of concrete, 25% of brick and tile, 5% of wood, 2% of metal, 2% of other, and 1% of plastic. Next. Reasons for increase of construction and demolition waste. Many old buildings, concrete pavement, bridges, and other structure have overcome their age and limit of use due to structural deterioration beyond repairs and need to be demolished. New structure for better economic growth. Structures are turned into debris resulting from natural disasters like earthquakes, cyclone, floods, etc. Next. Next. Hierarchy for C&D waste management. First is reduce, that is lowering the amount of waste produced. Second is reuse, using materials repeatedly. Recycle, using materials to use new products. Fourth is recovery, recovering energy from waste. And last is landfill, that is safe disposal of waste to landfill. Next. Reducing of waste, ensuring materials are ordered on an as needed basis to prevent oversupply to site, minimize the creation of excessive scrap waste on site, ensuring correct storage and handling of construction materials to minimize generation of damaging materials or waste, ensuring correct sequence of operations and assigning individual responsibility. Next. Construction waste recycling. When considering a recycled material, three major areas need to be taken into account. These are: first is economy, second is compatibility with other materials, and last is material properties. Next. Aishwarya, continue.
Sorting process of construction and demolition waste. In that, first one is the chemical mineralogical appraisal, and second one is the mechanical sorting. Next slide. Chemical mineralogical appraisal. It recognizes particular grain size, X-ray fluorescence, induced in this chemical composition in terms of major element, and X-ray reflectometry. It recognizes the constituent mineralogical phases. Mechanical sorting process. In that, bar screening, magnetic separation, and air classifier, and shown figure. Next, recycling and reuse. Reuse of bricks, stone, slab, timber, conduits, and pipe building, etc. to the extent possible and depending upon their condition. Second, the plastic, broken glass, metal, etc. can be used by recycling industry. The rubber, brick bats, broken plaster, concrete pieces, etc. can also be used for the activities such as labeling under photo frames where the graphic does not constitute of moving loads. Next. 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 Key requirement of waste management plan. The types, quantities, and qualities of waste. Second, measures for reducing waste generation. On-site waste sorting. On-site and off-site reuse. Areas for the waste storage. Quantities of waste requiring off-site disposal. And monitoring and auditing program. Next. Conclusion. It has been established that the materials and components from the demolished buildings are being reused for new construction works as well as renovation projects, especially by low-income communities in developing countries. In developing countries, most of the demolition rubble is dumped. The developed world has now started to recycle it into aggregate for construction. It is hoped that recycling waste materials for use in building will cut down the producing new raw materials and thereby reducing the consumption of natural resources like energy and usage of landfills. As sorting and recycling facilities become more widespread and better developed, it will be easier to redirect our waste from landfills. Next. Here are some references. Next.